The Coinbase Smart Wallet is here, and I'm going to show you how to use it in this video, except, well, we have to just point out that the whole point of this new wallet is it's so incredibly easy to use and get set up with. Even your grandmammy can use it, so we can run through that process pretty quickly. But what I also want to do in this video is look at how the wallet can actually be used to do transactions and to manage a portfolio, looking really deep into the wallet here as well. We're going to assess the good, the bad, and really what all this means for the future of finance, for the future of crypto. First, let's start off with the launch and find out what makes the Coinbase Smart Wallet so different from the competition. You see, the new Coinbase Smart Wallet has been massively hyped up for months as possibly being a gigantic boost for the entirety of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. I've been hyping it up. I've been thinking it's a very big move, okay? And it actually just went live the other week. And if we look at the tweet that was sent by the Coinbase wallet account to actually mark the launch, well, then we can see the key messages are say goodbye to seed phrases and say hello to passkeys. Well, we're also promised, of course, simplified transactions and simplified gas fees. Now, if you have been in crypto for a while, and I guess a lot of you probably have been, you'll have got used to the scramble for a pen and a paper to note down that 12 or 24 word seed phrase anytime you create a new wallet. And every time I do it, I go, not again, man. And I'm not knocking seed phrases. They're amazing. They work. But it's true that for a noob used to signing up to traditional Web 2 services by linking up their Google account or something like that, seed phrases might seem a bit strange, a bit cumbersome. Plus, it's all on you, which can be problematic and intimidating for some people. You have to make sure you have your seed phrase secure. All the assets in your wallet they're connected to. If you screw it up, if you lose it, gone forever. Now, you might say this is all part of the self-custody, self-sovereignty, decentralization awesomeness that is crypto. And I agree. And it's kind of the point of crypto. But still, what Coinbase is doing here with the smart wallet is finding ways to do crypto through a smoother experience that will onboard more people. And the point of that simplicity will allow us to bring on, well, potentially billions of new users in a frictionless way. And that's good for everyone. And yes, that is good for your bags because more users equals a bigger, more liquid marketplace. The possibility of your bags pumping, of course, is something that we should all be excited for. Depending on your bags, obviously, disclaimer there. And in general, mainstream crypto adoption will benefit from ease of access. And let me just mention that here that if you want the latest on everything happening in the cryptocurrency markets, I got some good news for you as well, because my team and I, every single week, we are publishing the best newsletter in the industry. It's called the Wealth Master Newsletter Report, and it contains all the latest on Bitcoin, altcoins, NFTs, DeFi. We have charts, we have analysis, airdrops, meme coins, and much more. You can join 125,000 plus weekly readers for free using the link down below in the description. Now, let's get up to setting up a new smart wallet. So what do you do to get started here? Well, it's actually incredibly simple. You just go to the wallet site. Make sure, of course, you're going to the actual wallet.coinbase.com website, okay? Click to set up the wallet, and you don't actually need to install anything at all. There's no browser extension like with MetaMask or Phantom. You just scroll down, click on Create Smart Wallet, and again on Create a Smart Wallet, and then you can connect very quickly, basically instantly, via your phone using a fingerprint scan or a screen lock code, or on another device by scanning a QR code. And there are also people signing up using their Chrome profiles. But, that seems not to be available to everyone in all regions yet. So long story short, there's a lot of ways to sign up, okay? You can also instantly create a wallet through other sites. So, for example, here on the Trader Joe decentralized exchange, shout out to my Trader Joe bags. If I go to connect a Coinbase wallet, I get the same prompt to go create a new smart wallet. And what's really noticeable again is the lack of a seed phrase or really any requirement to install anything at all. Kind of feels weird, but it's what they do. And it's kind of cool. You just set up a wallet right there, secured through your device and ready to go. Now, having got your wallet set up, you of course are going to need to fund that wallet. You can't do much if you don't have any money in your wallet, right? So you can do that, of course, by transferring assets over from your Coinbase account or other exchange. Obviously, if they support this, the blockchains that are supported here on the Coinbase Smart Wallet. But your Coinbase account will be connected up automatically if you're using the same associated device for your smart wallet, which is pretty damn cool. Or you can on-ramp from fiat by buying crypto using the bank account that you have connected to your Coinbase account as well. Obviously, it's Coinbase's wallet. They have very deep integration of it with their exchange. Now, to do that, you click on buy, select either buy new asset or transfer from Coinbase. The other thing that you can do is to link up other regular crypto wallets to your smart wallet so that you can actually keep track of all of your assets in just one place, which again is pretty gosh darn cool and very handy feature, of course, for managing your portfolio, which can be a pain in the ass in crypto sometimes. So many chains. Crypto can get real messy when you're working with multiple wallets, multiple chains, so many applications. You know how it is. You've been in the market for a while, probably. You understand this. And if you want to switch from one to another, you can also do that again inside the wallet. You're just going to need to go up and click on swap and take it from there. But where else the smart wallets gets very interesting, in my opinion, is in the way that it can get newbies interacting on chain for the first time, even if they've never used a cryptocurrency wallet before. So stick around and we're going to look at how that actually works. So if you go to the dApps tab, you can use the search bar or scroll through a list of dApps, bookmarking, of course, the ones that you find interesting, and then filtering them by chain, which kind of feels like a Web 2 sort of user experience that should be comfortable for a lot of people. Although there is no option to just find protocols that are compatible with the smart wallet. However, as examples of compatibility, in addition to Trader Joe, which we just mentioned a minute ago, and also we have stuff like the Aerodrome DEX on Base. There are some NFT projects giving you the option to mint artwork through the smart wallet directly. So we're already seeing a lot of integrations come out. So for example, we've got a new NFT release here from artist Emily Shee. And if you go to the platform she's using to mint, which is highlight.xyz, and click to sign in with your smart wallet, you can actually then mint the NFT. But what is special is that if you don't have a wallet, then again, it's worth repeating because it's so cool, you can instantly create one with no seed phrase. If you've been around in crypto, you understand how powerful it is. It's simply just another part of your transaction flow. Create wallet, get an NFT, boom, done. Another artist named Petra Voice is using a similar method for her new Babes collection, which is part of the Coinbase on-chain summer initiative event, if you will, that's happening right now. And even if you're not in NFTs, I know NFTs, guys, NFTs, these still, the point of these mints is that they're showcasing how the technology is working, and that is working as it's intended to work. But is this wallet really the game changer we've all been waiting for? Stick around. Let's wrap up here with the good and the bad. Okay, starting with the positives. And I think there's a lot of great positives. I think it's a cool wallet. Compared to other crypto wallets, the smart wallet is super smooth, super intuitive, obviously wildly quick to set up. Having no seed phrases can be a massive bonus. No downloads, massive bonus, and a genuinely efficient user experience that can efficiently bring millions of people on board. Thumbs up, that's a win. And as we saw in the NFT projects, and integrate right into a transaction process, it just makes it stupidly easy to get into crypto, allowing new users to go and create a wallet as they go along. And it's this point, a kind of instant in the flow onboarding, that really sets the smart wallet apart. The wallet's also good for keeping track of your crypto portfolio, which again, fantastic. I love that. And something I didn't mention yet is, of course, the gas fees, or rather the lack of gas fees, as the smart wallet actually offers the capacity for the different decentralized applications themselves to be able to cover the costs of transactions for you, which is pretty damn important when it comes to, onboarding all those casual users in the market and stuff like that. But on the other hand, we do have to talk about a few of the negatives, some of the criticisms of the smart wallet. You see, the wallet is compatible with Ethereum, Base, Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, BNB, and Zora. So, a good list, but far from wildly comprehensive. The smart contract blockchain, of course, has been at the center of the cycle, is Solana. And that's not covered. And why would they want to cover it immediately? Because Solana is massive competition for Base, which is Coinbase's baby. So if you want to do anything on Solana, you're going to need another wallet, Phantom Wallet. We have a tutorial on that. You can go watch it on the channel. By the way, a Solana smart wallet called Fuse has actually launched in test mode. So you may even have soon multiple smart wallet options. So there's that out there. That's the thing that's happening. Also, even on networks that are supported at the moment, only a limited number of protocols are actually working with the smart wallet. It's going to take a while for wide integration, and it will get widely integrated. You watch, but it's going to take a while. So for now, you're still going to need regular wallets. And that raises another point, which is that if you're proficient at wallet hygiene, you might not actually want to have security abstracted away in the name of convenience. Okay, think about that. And in that case, regular wallets and seed phrases might actually suit you just fine. You might be happy to have that higher level of security, especially if you're dealing with like large amounts, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and millions of dollars in crypto. That said, there are room for multiple different ways of operating in crypto, depending on your priorities and your skill level in the market. So if your focus is on, just hodling your Bitcoin in cold storage until the end of time, that's one thing. Go get a ledger. That's not the wallet for you. But if you're a smart contract developer looking for ways to integrate with mainstream applications, then the smart wallet could be a big step along that path for you. Or if you are just, a newbie getting in the market, great wallet for you. Great way to get your feet wet in the water. Let's go. And all this, of course, could have major implications when it comes to adding crypto features into stuff like gaming and commerce, reward schemes, or really anything where it might be useful to let users just instantly spin up a wallet to be able to claim assets and receive whatever it is, the token, the NFT, whatever they're giving away. Also, don't forget that this is a Coinbase product. So we've got a huge crypto exchange, one of the world's biggest crypto exchanges, bringing out a super user-friendly new wallet that's going to bring people into the Base network and pump up our mean coin bags on Base. Let's go. Very important stuff. It's working in sync together. Base, Coinbase, the smart wallet, it's the Trinity, man. When it comes down to it, you need to make up your own mind whether or not this is going to be the wallet for you that you're going to want to use, but it's a great wallet that's bringing in a lot of great features for the market. So look, I'd recommend go check it out. Set up a smart wallet. Check out the experience. See what you think about it. As we've seen, it only takes a matter of seconds, and you can test out how it compares to regular crypto wallets for you. Maybe it's what you've been waiting for. Maybe you want to keep doing it the old-fashioned way. For now, though, as always, thanks for watching.